Hey guys, it's me Aubrey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me already, my name is Aubrey, and today we are going to be playing with all my fidgets. So first is this stretchy hot dog, snake, plus rating them. So I give this 9 out of 10, of course. And look, I do my makeup. The snake, pretty rough, sometimes hurts me, spiky. Give this a 8 out of 10. This cactus poppet, notice, I'm not rating all my fidgets. Poppet. So this side is really hard. Well, like you can still put them down. It's just like it's hard. Not for the good side. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Really cute. Plus these are stars and I thought they were golden. Stress ball I got from pretty good, but hasn't popped yet, so that's good. Okay, next is my dimple. It's not a real one, but still, it's really good. This, out of 10, I would give a 10 out of 10. I always wanted this dimple. Plus, I think it has all the right colors where it's supposed to be. Whenever fidget I'm on, this hard shell heart poppet cotton candy one, I would literally give this a 10 out of 10 already. Cause like I love this and I like never had a hard shell poppet before in my life, and like this is just like a really good one. Well, I have, it's just it was a real one. Homemade stress ball that I made out of beads and a balloon. I'll give this 6 out of 10. Not really that fun to play with, kind of hard. Next for my acupuncturing, I would give this one, because I have a silver one, but I don't know where it is. This one, I would give a solid 5 out of 10. Because like it kind of hurts me sometimes, but if you love acupuncturing for your anxiety or stress, you should really, like, I mean, really get this. It's just really good. Giant, well, not giant, but humongous poppet. It's not humongous, but this side, really bad, because like sometimes like they're really hard to pop. Now let's flip on the other side. 6 out of 10. Next one is my jumbo poppet, which is glittery. So let's flip it on this side. Pretty good on this side, but like, I wish I had like more sparkles on it or something. Let's check this side. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I wouldn't recommend this a lot. Because I am gonna start doing the marble game. So I have this dark green one if you want it. This light green one, and then this clear one that has sparkles in it. So comment down below and which poppet I should do. The giant one, the teal, cactus poppet, or the hard shell poppet. Or if you really want me to do it, I'll do the dimple and you just tell me which color to do it. And yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big ol' thumbs up.